Hey friends, welcome to my channel, and my channel name is My Wacky World, and my name is Ramandeep. So today's video is a special video of these lipsticks. These are Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color lipsticks. This has been recently launched by Lakme, and it's in their 9 to 5 range. Today I'm going to review about these lipsticks, and so yes, let's get started. Okay, it comes up in this kind of packaging, a typical 9 to 5 Lakme 9 to 5 packaging. This is the outer box of the packaging, and you know, at the back of it the color is written, whatever color it is, and it says this new generation matte mousse feel incredibly weightless to wear all day. This is the very weightless lipstick. It says it has a powdery matte finish and your cheeks a blush that complements to 9 to 5. So this is a dual purpose lipstick. It says that it is a lipstick as well as it can be used as a blush on your cheeks. So I have two shades with me. I have purchased two shades me. It retails for 575 rupees. You can purchase it on Nykaa.com. The websites which I know, you know, these lipsticks are there in those websites. That is Nykaa.com. It's there on Amazon as well. And but on Amazon it's like, you know, they are selling it for 530 rupees, but they are charging the delivery fees of 70 or 80 rupees, which actually comes out to be more than 575 rupees. That is you know, quite costly, I guess. So yes, coming on to lipsticks, this is the outer packaging. The rate is written over here, and this is a 9-gram lipstick, and this is the outer cover. You just open this cover and inside is the lipstick. It is like a tube, this kind of tube with a typical color of 9 to 5 range, and this is the cap. You just open it up like this, and here is the wand. So this is the wand, and you can see it's like a very beautiful and very nice kind of wand. It is pointed on the top just to give you, you know, that precise outline if you want. It helps you in that. So yeah, nothing fancy about the packaging of it. It is a simple, very simple packaging. Coming on to the texture of it, it is a soft creamy matte texture lipstick, and if I have to compare this lipstick with some other lipstick, it's a kind of you know, the NYX creamy matte finish lipsticks. It's like that, plus Miss Clear lipstick. It's like that as well. The Miss Clear creamy matte lipsticks, it is same as that. The texture is almost same as that. Coming on to you know, the staying power of it, it stays on your lips for about 3 hours. That's it, not more than that. It doesn't stay on your lips more than 3 hours, although it's like, it's a range of 9 to 5, but it doesn't remain on your lips for more than 3, maximum to maximum 3.5 hours. That too if you have not eaten anything, but in between, if you had your meal, if you'll have your meal, or you'll have something greasy, then it goes away. Regarding the lighter shades goes away, you know, completely from your lips, and the dark shades, it remains on your lip as an outline after your meal, or after you have any kind of you know, oily food or something like that. And regarding the transfer, is it transferable or not, I have just put in this lipstick, and you can see it transfers a little, very little. It transfers, but very little. And yes, so I have two shades with me. One is the Blush Velvet, which is a very nice neutral shade. Another is a Burgundy Lush, which is a darker shade, which I am wearing right now. I would be showing you the demo going ahead, and so yeah, let's get started with the demos. Alright, so the first shade which I'm going to swatch is the shade by the name of Blush Velvet. This is the shade, and Let me go ahead and swatch it. Alright, so as you can see, it's a very beautiful color. It's a natural nude color with a little tint of brown in it. So yeah, this is the blush velvet shade. Very nice, very neutral kind of shade, everyday wear shade. I just love this shade. So yes, this is the blush velvet shade. Alright, so here is the second shade. This is by the name of Burgundy Lush. This is a very beautiful shade, a dark shade. Let me swatch it. So you can see it's a very nice, very beautiful maroonish brown color shade. It's like quite dark shade, and you can certainly wear this shade in parties. So this is the Burgundy Lush shade, and let me swatch it for you on the back of my hand. So this one, the first one is the Velvet blush, and this is the second one. And this is the second one, which is the Burgundy Lush, and both are like very beautiful, very nice shades. The darker shade you can wear in parties and celebration time, and the light shade is a everyday wear shade. So yes, these were the two shades. The rest of the shades would be in the end of my video. I have the swatches for all the shades. When I went to mall, I just swatched all the shades on my hand, and that would be on the end part of my video. So yeah, for that, just keep on watching. So welcome back. I hope you have liked the demo. That were the swatches on the lips. As it claims that this is for cheeks as well, let me go ahead and swatch it on the cheeks as well. This would be the first impression. I haven't tried on my cheeks. Let me go ahead and try the lighter shade on this cheek, and I would be trying the darker shade on this cheek. So I would be taking it, and you have to dab it a little like a blush on, and let's see how it works. Oh wow, the lighter shade is like, wow, seriously, can you see? It has gone very nicely in this skin to give you that blush kind of effect. I really like the way it has given that blush, the shade of the blush. So yeah, it's nice, the lighter shades. Let's check on to the darker shades now. Darker shade now, because I have only one shade, the darker shade, and I would be putting little dots this side, and let me just spread it. Wow, look at that. It spreads very finely. Can you see? It has spread very finely as a blush. So this is the darker shade, which obviously will give you a darker blush effect, and this is the lighter shade, which is giving you a natural, very light kind of blush. So yes, thumbs up for the cheeks thing as well. So these are the two shades as I have already shown you. This is the blush Velvet, and this is the Burgundy Lush color. I love both the shades. Now coming on to the price of this lipstick, it retails for 575 rupees, which if you see it as a combo of lips and cheeks, then it is okay, fine, it's reasonable. But if you don't use it as an as a blush every time, and you see check it out as a lipstick only, according to me it's a little expensive. because you really can't, you know, buy many shades if you have to go in an affordable or budgeted way. So that's the reason I have purchased only 2 shades, because my budget was only, you know, to purchase 2 shades this time. So I got one lighter shade, and one darker shade, just to show you how the texture of lipstick is. So the texture of lipstick, as I have already told you, thumbs up. And the texture for the blush on for this 925 Mousse lipsticks, thumbs up. For the price, it can be, you know, it should have been a little lesser than what it is. So, but that's fine. That's fine. And yeah, that's it. I think I have covered all the points. It is little transferable. It is in all, this is a very nice lipsticks. You can certainly check them out. These are in the markets, and mind you girls, these are the 2 shades which are going to get off the shelf very quickly. Both the shades are very pretty, and another shades which I'm going to show you in the picture in the last of this video. You can check out all the other shades, because I just managed to get a pic of all the shades. I will be mentioning the shades from left to right or from down to below, whatever, in the description box of that shade for you to check out the shade numbers and the names. So yeah, that's it for the video of Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. I hope you have liked the video. So if you have liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, take care. Bye.